OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite. This phone is the latest addition to the Nord series, which has been a fan favorite for its balance of features and affordability. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about this device, from its design and build quality to its performance and user experience. Whether you're considering buying this phone or just curious about the latest tech, stay tuned for an in-depth review. Design and build. Let's start with the design and build of the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite. OnePlus has always been known for its sleek and stylish designs, and this phone is no exception. Improved design. The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite boasts an improved design that looks vibrant and premium. The first thing you'll notice is how sleek and modern it looks. The phone is available in several eye-catching color variants, including blue, orange, and silver. These colors are not only vibrant but also give the phone a unique and stylish appearance. Thinner and lighter. OnePlus has made the Nord CE4 Lite thinner and lighter compared to its predecessor. The phone weighs around 192 grams, making it easy to hold and carry around. Despite being lightweight, it doesn't feel flimsy or cheap. The thickness of the device is about 8.1 millimeters, which adds to its sleek profile without compromising on durability. Display. Next, let's talk about the display, one of the most critical aspects of any smartphone. 6.67-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display. The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite features a 6.67-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display. This is a significant upgrade from previous models that used IPS LCD panels. The AMOLED technology provides better contrast, deeper blacks, and more vibrant colors, enhancing the overall viewing experience. Peak brightness. One of the standout features of this display is its peak brightness of 2100 nits. This high brightness level ensures that the screen remains visible even in bright outdoor conditions. We tested the display both indoors and outdoors, and it performed exceptionally well in all lighting conditions. User experience. Having an AMOLED display with such high brightness and refresh rate significantly enhances the user experience. Colors look more vibrant, and the high refresh rate makes interactions feel smooth and responsive. For a phone in this price range, these display features are impressive and add great value. Performance. Let's move on to performance, another crucial aspect of any smartphone. Processor and RAM. The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite is powered by a capable processor, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. Combined with ample RAM, the phone handles multitasking with ease. Apps open quickly, and switching between them is seamless, providing a smooth user experience. Storage options. The phone comes with multiple storage options, allowing users to choose the one that best fits their needs. Whether you need more storage for apps, games, photos, or videos, there's a variant that will suit your requirements. Gaming performance. For gamers, the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite delivers a solid gaming experience. The combination of a powerful processor, sufficient RAM, and a high refresh rate display ensures that games run smoothly with minimal lag or stutter. Whether you're playing casual games or more demanding titles, this phone handles them well. Software experience. The phone runs on Oxygen OS, OnePlus's custom Android skin. Oxygen OS is known for its clean, user-friendly interface and useful features. The software experience on the Nord CE4 Lite is smooth and intuitive, with regular updates and optimizations from OnePlus. Camera capabilities. Next, let's talk about the camera capabilities of the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite. Rear camera setup. The phone features a versatile rear camera setup, including multiple lenses to cover various photography needs. Main sensor. The primary sensor captures detailed and vibrant photos, even in challenging lighting conditions. Ultra-wide lens. The ultra-wide lens allows you to capture more in a single frame, perfect for landscape and group shots. Macro lens. The macro lens lets you get up close to your subjects, capturing intricate details with impressive clarity. Front camera. The front camera is also capable, providing clear and detailed selfies. It supports various modes and features to enhance your photos, making it great for social media use. Battery life and charging. Battery life is another important factor to consider when choosing a smartphone. Battery capacity. The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite comes with a sizable battery that provides ample power for a full day of use. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or playing games, the battery holds up well. Fingerprint sensor. For security, the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite features a fingerprint sensor. This sensor is fast and accurate, providing quick and secure access to your phone. Face unlock. In addition to the fingerprint sensor, the phone also supports face unlock. This feature uses the front camera to recognize your face, providing an additional layer of security. User experience. Finally, let's discuss the overall user experience. Design and feel. The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite provides a satisfying user experience, starting with its design. The phone feels great in hand, with its sleek profile and lightweight build. The vibrant colors and premium look add to the overall appeal. Display quality. The display quality is impressive, with its AMOLED technology and high refresh rate. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or simply browsing the web, the display provides a visually pleasing experience. Performance and responsiveness. In terms of performance, the phone is fast and responsive. Apps open quickly, multitasking is smooth, and games run well. The combination of a powerful processor, ample RAM, and optimized software ensures that the phone handles everything you throw at it with ease. Connectivity and features. With 5G connectivity, dual SIM support, and advanced security features, the phone provides everything you need for a seamless and secure experience. Thank you for watching this in-depth review. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite and if you plan to get one. See you in the next video.